Typical girl holding Starbucks while she's driving. Better let me over, Buster. Okay. Someone's in a hurry. Really? Scoot your boot on over without any blinker. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yeah, you're welcome.
Drive 1.9 miles.
She's so bossy. And then you got that speed demon there.
Hallelujah. Girl, said you hallelujah.
The seatbelt is suffocating me. I'm gonna make it look so sweet. Okay. This truck better get over before I speed around him and I get mad. Oh Lord, it's school zone. Everybody slow down 10 miles under the school zone speed limit.
Begging my mama needing.
Ride my butt a little closer there, buddy. I'll leave you in my dust. Switching lanes without a blinker. Okay, there you go. God, you gonna want to break any more rules?
I'm ferocious, precocious, I get braggadocious. I'm not gonna stop. Sugar, love a little something.
I can't even get that high. How does he get that high? Men are crazy drivers, I tell you.